Hey guys, this is Ariana here, back with another video. Right now we just came out of Walmart because I just picked up a portable charger or a power bank. And it is because, on Friday, starting Friday all the way to Sunday, we're going camping from Pathfinders. We're going to Camporee, Riverside? Yeah. Rosino Park or something. Oh yeah, you have to get gas. And for $10, well, $9 and let me check. It was $8.88 without tax, and with tax it was $9.59. So for about $10 I got this 4,400 milliamps. So this can charge my phone almost 2 times, and my phone has a battery capacity of 2,550 milliamps. So yeah, this is a really good deal. And I'm gonna go home and open up this box and tell you guys a whole bunch of other stuff. And the reason why I needed a power bank, even though I'm only staying there for 3 days and 2 nights, is because I wanted to record videos there to show you guys, or whoever's watching, excuse me. And my battery life would not last 3 days taking videos all day. So that's why I needed to pick up this. And I got the blue one because my phone case is blue and black. So I just thought it would match together, sort of, kind of. And also my charger cable is white, so blue and white. So yeah, so we gotta get home now. See you there. Okay, I'm finally at home, guys. You can see that it's from Vivitar. It's a 4,400 milliamp hour power pack. And to put it into perspective, you can that means you can charge your Galaxy S6, which is this much, 2,550 milliamps, almost twice. So that's good. So yeah, it says it comes pre-charged, and we'll have to check that. There is a USB cable inside, and this is some other stuff. It says it can charge Android phones, iPhones, tablets, iPads, and iPods. So this is a 1 amp power bank. You can see all the other stuff. And here's the barcode if you want to scan it, just in case you wanted to check this out. And also, I'll leave a link to this in the description box below if I can. If not, I'll just find an alternative. Yeah, so let's just open the box. You can see there's some tape here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. So I grab the knife, and then I cut all the tape. Just like that. Then I just, I don't know why there was tape here because it's kind of useless. Okay, I could have just opened this here like this. And I'm going to try to open this box without... Okay, there we go. So if you open this box, the first thing you'll see is plastic. So I think I'm supposed to pull this... Okay. Okay then. And I'll just open... Wow, there's tape here now. Okay. Let's just cut the tape. There we go. Hopefully now it'll open easily. So there's a couple of things that comes in the box. This is just cardboard and some plastic. So we'll put that to the side. Now this is the portable charger. And if you, this isn't too heavy. It's quite small too. And like I said before, this is a blue and white version. Let me adjust the light. Yeah, and like I said before, this is from, I think this is the Vivitar logo right here. Now, in the box, there's also a micro USB cable. And if you don't know what a micro USB cable is, you will sort of know, because if you have an Android phone, that's using a micro USB cable. I think this cable is included so that you can charge the power bank itself. And it said it comes pre-charged, so I don't think we're going to have to charge it right now. And we'll have to see that. Oh. Also, what comes in the box is some paperwork. This is the instruction manual. This is how to use it. And some other stuff. And this one is a warranty card thing, which I don't think I'll be using, so yeah. And I have my, I borrowed my younger sister's phone right here, so I can test it out. I'm going to be testing out this USB cable to see if this would actually work. And I also have the micro USB cable that comes with the phone. So you can see this is fully functional, totally works. And I think if I just press this button, oh, there's that much life. And I think that's saying that there's a lot of battery life. And yeah, I'm just going to plug the USB part into this 1 amp USB port. Then I'm going to plug this micro USB end into the phone. And it's charging. So this cable does work, but I don't know if you guys can see. But the whole thing doesn't go in, but it still works. I'm going to see if I take out the phone, maybe you'll be able to see better. So you can see it's not charging. And when I plug this in, it should be charging now. If I turn this on again. There we go. So you have to plug it in more. And you can see there's a little bit that's not all the way in. Now, oh. Okay, this is not the best quality. So I'm going to just use the one that came with the phone, which is a much better micro USB cable. So this plugs all the way in and it charges with no problem. So yeah, this is the LED indicator which shows how much battery is in this thing itself. And there's a micro USB port where you can charge the power bank itself. And I think I think this is a flashlight here. I'm not very sure. So I'm just going to go back to the manual and see if I can find press twice the power. So if I press this twice, oh, whoa! So that's an okay flashlight while I'm going camping. Let me just turn off the other light. So all the lights are turned off in my room, and there's very little light coming in. So that's the wall. And if I use a flashlight, oh yeah, it's pretty good. It's actually pretty good. And then it says you have to, okay, let's go back to the table. Okay, so I think it said that I have to double click the power button again to turn the light off. It works. This is so awesome. So I think when the LED indicator is off, that means the whole thing is off. And honestly, I really love this thing. Like, it's really small, and like, I think I can fit this into my pocket. Okay, I'm going to see if this can actually fit into my pocket. So that's my pocket. It does! Look at that. Do you see that? It actually fits into my pocket. Wow, I love this. Anyways, that's my unboxing of this Vivitar 4400 milliamp hour battery pack, or power pack as they say. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and also check out the description box if you want to buy this. I'll leave a link to that down below. Bye!